Do you have kids in college? Let's face it, college kids want money. They need it for food, clothes, tech, travel, you name it. But most of them are stuck working long hours at jobs that barely pay enough to survive. And those hours? They take them away from studying or just enjoying college life. Now here's the good news. There's a smarter side hustle, one that lets them make real income without the crazy hours of a part-time job. All they do is help their friends save money. That's it. Think about it, most college students are broke. So when someone comes along and shows them how to get free pizzas and free burgers, buy one, get one, free meals, big discounts on the coolest sneakers, fashion, laptops, and TVs for their dorm, and even up to 80% off spring break travel. And when your kid shares those savings, they get paid every single week. To make money, most college kids have to get jobs that eat up all their time they should be using to study or sleep, or actually enjoy college. With our side hustle, there is no clocking in, no crazy shifts or schedules, so they can keep school a priority. Here's the best part. They don't have to keep asking you for money. This side hustle gives them the freedom to buy what they need and what they want on their own. It's real income that gives them real independence. So instead of working nights for minimum wage or living off ramen and grilled cheese and stressing out, they are actually earning money while helping themselves and other students save money. It's cheap to start. No selling, no pressure, just smart income for smart students. Tap the link. Get your kids started today. Let them stop asking for money and start making it.